Take out the camera and the memory card. Insert the memory card into the camera. Find a clear spot in the windshield center, avoid dotted areas. Take out the dry wipe to clean the selected spot. Take out the suction cup mount. Peel off the protective film. Mount the bracket onto the selected spot. Rotate the GPS module counterclockwise to fix it. To remove it, rotate the GPS module clockwise and pry it off using the small tab. Slide the camera into the suction cup mount. Loosen the screw, adjust the camera's viewing angle, then tighten the screw. Take out the front camera cable, then insert the Type-C connector into the camera. Plug the USB connector into the car charger adapter. Use the cable clips to fix the cable. Then route the cable with the Easy Pry tool. Plug the car adapter into the 12V power socket or cigarette lighter receptacle. Start the engine to check whether the front camera works. Take out the rear camera cable. Connect the 4-pin connector on the front camera cable to the one on the rear camera cable. Then route the rear camera cable with the Easy Pry tool. Find a clear spot near the center of the windshield and clean it. Take out the static sticker. Peel off the protective film. Attach the sticker to the clean glass, ensuring there is no dust or air bubbles. Remove the sticker from the rear camera base, then attach the rear camera to the static sticker. The rear camera can be rotated to face inward or outward. Peel off the protective film on the rear camera lens. Plug the Type-C connector into the rear camera. Use the cable clips to secure the cable, and tidy up the excess cable, ensuring there is enough length for the trunk to open and close.